Good day, everyone. Learn how to create personal monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. It is very easy and you can do it for even company and for your personal both. So open your Microsoft Excel, and once you open it, it should look like this. And basically we need to go to the templates first. So here at the right hand side, we have more templates. We will click on that, and then you will find options like the template. So monthly budget, this is the company monthly budget. And if you scroll down, you will find personal monthly budget, household monthly budget, right, balance sheet. So we will click on personal monthly budget, and then we will click on create, and here we go. So you can see it is there. It is the start about this template, and here. So you can mention the income, extra income, actual income, and the expense. What was the projected cost, actual cost difference, and you can mention, you can also categorize in housing, entertainment. You can edit according to your convenience. Like if it's not an entertainment, you can edit and delete these things and edit these things. Transportation, loans, insurance, taxes, saving, food, pet. So there are a lot of things, and you can mention here, and this will actually show you the total project cost, total actual cost, and you will be able to create the personal monthly budget for yourself without any headache. You just need to edit these things and you will get the result. You will get the monthly budget. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.